Welcome back to Exotic Car Playplace, everyone. What do we do as car people? I mean, amongst this crisis where we're all in lockdown mode, we find our opportunities to get out and explore and socialize and network with people being a little bit more limited today than we once were. We're hoping we get out of this much sooner than later, but as car people, we have one thing that we can enjoy during this time of lockdown, and that's our cars. So let's enjoy the spring. The sun's finally shining, and as a car guy like you and I, we can appreciate those opportunities that we can really get down. We have time now to spend with our cars, give it a good cleanup for the springtime, get it ready for the road, so that hopefully once there's an opportunity to meet up with the car clubs and the meets and the rallies again, that the cars will be ready to rock and roll. That's not the time to clean it up. This is the time to clean it up, now that we're in lockdown. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Mark with Exotic Car Playplace, and today wax it, do your wheels, your windows, and you also want to take care of the carpets on the inside. Nothing looks worse than a ragged set of carpets, as well as give the steering wheel and the rest of the plastics and vinyls a little bit of a buff. Maybe you have leather interior, treat it with some leather condition. Car checks out, because nothing will take the wind out of your sails a lot more than actually having your car shut down or become a problem with, cruising with your buddies, or you're just out for a drive, maybe you're on a rally. So I always make sure the car is left on a battery tender. Right over there, that little flip up in the red, that's actually for connecting up a battery tender so that you can always keep the battery on full charge. You also want to check your antifreeze right up here. This reservoir is a common failure point on a lot of BMWs when you have leaking antifreeze. So you want to check that from time to time and make sure there's no antifreeze leaks underneath. You also want to check some of your other stuff. You have two air boxes because this is a V10 M5. You have an air box here and you have an air box over here. So you actually have two air filters you may want to replace. You've got other fluids like right here. And you also just want to do a good check, make sure nothing's leaking and you have no problems outstanding. Then you're ready to rock and roll. What better thing to do when the sun is shining and it's a beautiful warm day and you've got shorts on? You know, it's just a great experience just to even take care of the car, make it look shiny and polished. So don't wait for your buddies to call you to go for a drive or COVID to be over. Get your cars cleaned up now. Make sure it's running, it's serviced properly. Maybe make sure it's all clean, whether you're driving your Jag or your BMW. Make sure it's all ready to rock and roll today. And this is a great time to enjoy the weather. You can be outdoors. You can still be away from people, but you can enjoy the car lifestyle. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. It was a real opportune time to clean up the M5. And it's really time to clean up any of those toys that you have. Maybe you drive some other kind of sports car, performance car, luxury car, whatever that is. This is the time to do it. Do it before it's time to actually meet up with your friends so your car is ready to rock and roll. So hope to see you guys soon. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Catch you then. Bye-bye.